All right, guys, we parked up. You see us just over there. We're gonna try to make our way through the meet. We got R8 here, R8 there. I'm hoping I don't get blocked in, man.
You're gonna block.
I hope I don't get blocked in. These guys gotta find parking somewhere else. I hate to say it. Let me take that display spot, man. It looks like an M5. Nice, man. So we're gonna try to record the highlights. Cars like this. See the M3, see the Benz. That's nice, man. Holy. It's got the satin top, gloss black at the bottom, cut at the body line. You could barely even tell. That is one of the nicest Benz concepts I've ever seen, and it's so simple. M for M. Jeez. Yo. Oh, I'm tweaking. That is so sick. Damn, man. That's insane. Guys, I can't emphasize enough, man. What a turnout. They got everything going on. They got booths, vendors, all types of cars here. This is proper how it's done. Proper how it's done. Look at this Supra, man. Beautiful paint on this thing. It's looking good. Right by the GTR 2. Beautiful, man. See that Beetle in the back? That Aventador's on bags. Up front there, the white one? Yeah. Clean. Guys, that's what I'm saying. Mansory exhaust, guys. I don't know if you can see that. That is insane, man. It's crazy. There's my guy in the 5 Series, man. You see him? Man got in. Okay. Guys, you see, this is a good thing about a meet like this. You're literally seeing a little bit of everything here. I got this thing a bit zoomed in, but don't mind me, man. Zoomed in with a purpose. Okay, there we go. Now we fix it. But you're literally seeing a little bit of everything here, man. You got Beamers, you know, you got Benzes, you got Acuras, you got Hondas, you got Nissans, Dodges, Mazdas, McLarens, Lamborghinis. Man, it's just a good turnout overall. I can't say it enough. It's nice to see. See the moon out there? It's a good night right now. Now, as usual, if y'all know me, oh, I almost lost my boy. I see him. I see him. All right. You know how it is, man. I'm gonna get back to work. I'm gonna show you guys a show.